Today, we're diving into what might be the biggest leak yet for Google's upcoming Pixel 9 series. We've got a ton of juicy details from specs to design features, thanks to a recent leak shared by the well-known tipster Steve H.McFly on X in collaboration with 91 Mobiles. Let's jump right into it. First up, let's talk about the new design and color options. The Pixel 9 series will introduce some fresh looks, including dark gray, light gray, off-white, rumored to be called porcelain white, and a unique pink shade. The sides of these phones have a polished or glossy finish, while the back panel sports a soft matte texture. This design choice gives the Pixel 9 a premium feel that's reminiscent of recent iPhones. The camera island design has also seen a revamp. On the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, it's rectangular with rounded corners, whereas on the standard Pixel 9, it takes on an oblong shape. This camera bump is quite pronounced, adding a distinctive element to the phone's overall aesthetics. The Pro models feature a triple lens setup, while the regular Pixel models come with two lenses. The front has a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera, and the bezels are impressively slim. Now let's dive into the display specs. The Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro both feature a 6.3-inch Actua display. The Pixel 9 Pro XL steps it up with a larger 6.8-inch Super Actua display. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is particularly interesting, offering a 6.3-inch Actua front cover screen and an 8-inch Super Actua flexed inner screen. This Actua display technology, also found in the Pixel 8 series, is an upgraded OLED display that promises brighter visuals compared to the Pixel 7 series. The camera specs are always a highlight for Pixel phones, and the Pixel 9 series is no different. The Pixel 9 comes with a 50-megapixel wide camera and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL include a 50-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 48-megapixel telephoto sensor. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold features a 48-megapixel main camera, a 10.5-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto sensor. For selfies, the Pixel 9 has a 10.5-megapixel front camera, while the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL boast an impressive 42-megapixel front shooter. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold offers a 10-megapixel front camera. Under the hood, all four Pixel 9 series phones will be powered by Google's Tensor G4 chipset, providing a smooth and efficient performance. The Pixel 9 will offer up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, while the Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold will come with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. This means multitasking and running demanding apps should be a breeze on these devices. The Pixel 9 series is also expected to come loaded with advanced AI features. One standout is Gemini AA, which is designed to enhance user experience with smarter searches and more intuitive assistance. Another notable feature is Circle to Search, which is aimed at making it easier for users to find information. The phones are expected to ship with 7 years of security updates and Pixel drops, software updates that bring new, exclusive features to Pixel users. This commitment to long-term support is a huge plus for anyone looking to keep their device for several years. The Pixel 9 series will also include some thoughtful features like Emergency SOS, which provides alerts for nearby crises like fires or floods and offers protection against malware and phishing scams. There's also a handy tool called Pixel Screenshots, which helps below. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, Steve in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit: China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yedon also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.